Hi guys, welcome to my boring slideshow on Google Business Profiles. Now these are absolutely vital. If you're running a small business, this is the place that you want to be right now. So anyway, free local advertising for those who can be bothered. And that is very, very important because people who can't be bothered and leave their Google Business Profiles to go stagnant, as I've seen with a lot of clients that I've taken on over the years, they just create the profile, leave it to go stagnant. They're not getting any traffic through there. So what you want is you want to have a nice active Google profile. Actually, why do I need to make the rest of this video? That's just generally what you need. Anyway, let's skip through. So, free advertising for your local businesses. Now, when it comes to your business profile, it's absolutely free. This is really important. So if your Google business profile is free and you have to pay Facebook and Google ads for like money, it's much better to get your free advertising with an active Google business profile. So it's like people on Facebook, they're not really generally looking for business. You've got to hit them with a really good, like a jaw-dropping offer, something absolutely crazy for people to actually go out and buy something. And if you've been on Google ad, if you've been on a Google ad and you've bought something and you've actually looked it up in Amazon later, you'll find that 50% knockoff, you're still paid about 4 times for the item what it's actually worth. So it's like Facebook ads, people don't really trust them very much. People are there to look at the neighbour's cats. That's why they're there. And in general, if they interact with your business, they probably like you. So yeah, you can have a bit of interaction on Facebook. That's all good. But Facebook is not really a great place to actually put money into advertising. So we want to avoid that. Google ads, pretty much the same thing. The only time that it's actually been effective is that I've seen is when people they basically put down the keyword for a business and say, hey, as soon as someone types Burger King in, I want McDonald's to appear above it. Okay, that's great, until people go on the McDonald's website, realize it's not Burger King, and they're not going to get that sweet, sweet, delicious burger. And that's a real problem because they go off the McDonald's website. McDonald's has just paid like £1.20. Solicitors, this is a big one for you guys. To the people who are advertising over my my solicitors I work for, I've done some tests for your keywords. They're paying between £25 and £38 every single click, and not one of those clicks is going to be a guaranteed customer because no form of advertising is that great. And if people are looking for the business name, they're looking for my solicitors. They're not looking for your solicitors. So you can just see how much money people are just literally squandering away in Google ads. So it's just like, why bother with that when you've got a free business profile? So very, very important. Focus on your profile, look after it, it will look after you. So it's a perfect tool to bring people into your business. 90% of searches are performed on Google, which means that if you are on there with your business profile, then you are on the right track when it comes to people finding your business online. So it's very important to note at this point that this is for small, local businesses, right? These are people who want to succeed in a local area because, I tell you something, Google is not going to give you a wide radius for your business, no matter whether or not you're a small company like a little shop or you're a gigantic, massive monolithic company. This is just so people can find things in the local area. That's what Google Business Profile does. So this won't work for like an international business in the same way. It won't work for e-commerce business. So it's not going to be like massively effective. What it is going to do is it's going to get you local traffic. You're not going to have like international recognition from this sort of thing because that's not the purpose of this. So on to the next point. So we've got 3 golden rules to making sure that your Google Business Profile works. These will increase the amount of calls you get, increase the amount of information, people who are going on it, and they will basically rise you up in the Google Map Pack, which will basically mean that if you're part of like the top 3 businesses in your niche that people are looking for, you are going to get more customers, you are going to succeed a lot better. And these are the people that you need to look at to find out how to get better. So first of all, got to post to your profile at least once a week. It'll help keep your profile active and it'll help keep it appearing high in results. You shouldn't ever abandon your profile. Even if it's not effective for maybe the first couple of weeks, maybe the first month or 2, you just got to keep posting out. You've got to keep your profile active. Okay, so that means that even if people aren't coming on your profile, you're at least tending it, looking after it. That's going to put you ahead of a lot of your competition because you've got an active profile. Google will appreciate it. They appreciate it when you add content to your website through blogs, things like that. So they also appreciate things like looking after and maintaining your profile. It's like looking after your garden. You know, I'd say looking after your hair, but I don't have any. So anyway, when people comment on, leave a rating, or message your profile, you always respond to them in a polite and friendly manner. Even if there are people there who might say bad things. Now, there are people out there who say bad things. I've lost count of the number of times I've had to basically stop one of the business owners that I work with in their tracks and say, no, you shouldn't say things like this to a customer because that makes you look bad. That gives you bad reactions and less people will want to comment on your profile. What you want is always have positive conversations. You always want to have the last word in the conversation. Always be thankful, be cordial, be happy. If somebody leaves you a lower rating, just say, hi, thank you for giving us a rating. We really appreciate it. Please tell us why you rated us at this rating so that we can improve our service. It always looks like you're going to try and improve. That's always positive. It will help your profile to rank because it's an active profile and you care. When they send you a message, it's exactly the same thing. They want to book something, get that booking in. Do it as quick as you can. Just maintaining your Google business profile, it's very, very simple. It's very easy. You know, it's easy as answering like a Facebook message. So just got to keep on that, right? So next, we've got to make sure that the profile is complete. Make sure that all of the right stuff has been added to your profiles. And if anything about your business changes, your opening hours, just change that information. You know, take pictures of your business occasionally, upload them. If there's old pictures on your business profile, don't worry about them. The new pictures will show up first. But just keep the churn going. Make sure that the profile is active. That's the main thing that will help you. There is also another way to do it, and this is the bit where it's money gated. Oh, God, no. So anyway, yes, you can get more reviews with something like this. This is an NFC card, which has got a QR code on the back. So this is a really, really good tool for your business. If you you'll want to have a QR code on something, you know, even if it's just on like propaganda that you've got around your shop, you know, just so that people can rate you, give us a rating, whatever, maybe 10% off of some of your American drinks or something like that. You can just give them, then they can say, oh yeah, we left this review, and it doesn't matter if they come back and they abuse that a few times because who cares, man? It's a Google review. It's going to benefit you. It's going to raise your profile up. But an NFC card like this is absolutely invaluable because the fact of the matter is, someone wants to leave a review. They're a happy customer. You just bop your phone and wow, the business appears. Anyway, so that is really, really good. And if they can't bop it, you can turn it over. They've got a QR code on the back. Just load up the camera, bop the QR code, bam. You get a review on Google. It's great. You can respond to it, thank the customer. You've got those interactions going. So these kind of cards are really, really useful. They're especially useful for restaurants. No restaurant should be without one of these for each of their serving staff because you've got someone who's giving tips to your serving staff. They're the people to get to rate the business. Oh, thank you ever so much for your tips. Have you ever rated our business before? No, I haven't. Okay. Could you are you comfortable giving us a rating? We'd really appreciate it. They give you the rating, you give them a response. You might even be able to pull the business back in. You know, you can get them to come back because they think, oh wow, they really appreciate me. They responded to my Google message and everything. So it's really, really good. It benefits you, and that will give you a good rapport with your customers, and it will basically keep your profile active. So anyway, basically these cards can rack up a lot of reviews quickly. So my recommendation for them is taporscan.co.uk. Basically, they provide high quality NFC cards, and if you buy them in bulk, you can get a huge amount of money off. And they are incredibly reliable, and I've used them for quite a while now. So I've been taking them around to some of our local businesses, giving them to some dentists. And hey, if you're a marketer, you can give these things to people for free. All right, just program them, set it up for their business, give it to them for free, and just say, hey, I just want to, give you something which is going to help your business. and bam, you've got a foot in the door. Anyway, I've been wittering for far too long in this video. In terms of the way that your profile works, just keep an eye on your analytics, see how they increase over time. I get loads and loads of contacts, calls, God knows what on the profiles that I work with. And the more effort that you put into your Google profile, the better you are going to do. So I hope this has been helpful to you. Take it easy, have a lovely day, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to Boldilocks Does Marketing. I really appreciate it. Also, if you need any free music for any of your videos, if you're doing marketing videos, you can get it for free at my website, which is chamwarris.com. Anyway, have a lovely day, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye!